We are in the studio with Ryan Wright, Chief Executive Officer of Fig Tree Capital Ventures. Ryan, welcome to the program. And what is Fig Tree all about?
Fig Tree Capital Ventures is a venture capital firm. We specialize in alternative investments in oil and gas, real estate, and technology primarily.
How did you get started?
We opened the doors in 2008. I personally have a finance and accounting background, been doing venture capitals for the past 12 to 13 years. We started Fig Tree in 2008, and the primary mindset going into opening this company was to create products that set the bar for investor fairness. And you do that through unparalleled transparency, and that's how our products are designed. And so whether it's real estate, oil and gas, or technology, our partners are involved in every facet of the business. They see things that industry professionals would expect to see, and so therefore they understand the industry and understand what's going on, and that's why they're able to make decisions alongside us on how we progress with our projects.
What do you think makes Fig Tree different from the rest?
I mean, besides that philosophy, I really feel like the way we manage and deal with our investors is what sets us apart. With us, you're not a number. You are part of the team, you're a partner, and you're involved in the day-to-day process, you're involved in decision-making and the types of things that we purchase. And so for me, when I put my investor hat on, I want to know that my money's going to a company that wants my input and that actually has my interests in mind first rather than their own. And I think there's so many projects out there that may not be the case. And so we've tried to maintain that level of transparency, and that's the reason we've grown the way we have. That's the reason our track record has been as good as it has. And I think, you know, it's pretty common sense and it's simple. You do right by the folks that trust in you and you'll grow. And that's what we've done.
All right, right now, what is hot? What is Fig Tree looking at?
We're looking at multiple things right now. We've got a fund that focuses on unconventional resource plays, primarily Bakken Shale. We're acquiring proven reserves. We're developing leaseholds. That fund has a 5 to 7 year exit strategy, as do most of our funds. And pretty much across the board, our funds are designed to do a couple things. That's create cash flow, tax benefits, and really, more importantly, create an underlying asset value. So you're not just relying on cash flow from your investments to recoup your capital or generate return. You know, just like the diversification principles in any investment, the more ways you can be making money inside an investment, the better off you'll be. And so that's why our structures are designed this way. And it's what industry professionals do. If I'm an oil and gas industry professional like a Continental Resources, I'm going out and I'm acquiring acreage. I'm proving that acreage. I'm developing an asset and a cash flow to sustain my business. We're no different. We're acquiring assets alongside them, participating with folks like Continental, Hess, and Whiting at their level. And so that benefit comes back to our investors through that structure. And the same thing with real estate. Everything we do is going to be considered a wholesale or an industry level investment as opposed to highly promoted Uber retail type of thing. And we want our investors to be educated. And that's the primary purpose of our structure, because as you become involved with us, you learn about the industry, you learn the ins and outs. And not only do investors appreciate that approach, but it keeps them coming back because they go look at other places and that may not be the case.
All right, for people who want to learn more about Fig Tree Capital Ventures and want to get a hold of you, what do they need to do?
Actually, anybody who's interested in learning more about our company, call the 800 number on the screen, or you can email us at invest@figtreecv.com. Or, on the other hand, if you are a technology company and you're looking for source capital, or you're looking to divest of oil and gas properties or wholesale real estate, we'd like to speak with you as well.
All right, Ryan, appreciate it. Thank you for being in the studio.
Thanks, Jim.